You also mentioned assisted care facilities.
Assisted
Now,
living.
what type of actual care goes on at those type of facilities?
So that's where you're no longer able to do your laundry. You
Okay.
really cannot take your medications anymore. You no longer can or want to clean your apartment. You just need help. You might need help dressing. Perhaps you've got your arthritis has gotten worse. So in the assisted living situation, everything is pretty much done for you. You still are encouraged to be independent, participate in activities, participate in outings, have your family in, but you need extra care. You need help with showering. You need help picking out your clothing. You need help being reminded to go to the dining room.
Okay.
So that's a situation where things are changing. We still want to remind them they have dignity and give them dignity, but they need extra help.
Of course. And are those services typically covered under insurance programs or Medicare at all? Or?
Not typically, no.
Okay.
If you're fortunate enough to have purchased long-term care insurance, perhaps those will pay for it, but Medicare and Medicaid or Blue Cross or Blue Care Network does not pay for those services. Those are out of pocket.